TRENDnet's AC600 high-gain dual-band wireless USB adapter model TEW 806UBH upgrades your Windows or Mac computer to high-performance wireless AC. Connect to a wireless AC router at wireless speeds of up to 433 megabits per second. It also connects to common wireless end networks using the 2.4 GHz band. The TEW 806UBH is designed around high-gain antennas which greatly increase wireless range and wireless speed. The antenna positions can also be adjusted to further improve wireless connection strength. Upgrade your computer's wireless connection to experience the speed and wireless range of revolutionary wireless AC with TRENDnet's TEW 806UBH.